In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Prezi for brainstorming sessions. Whether you're working alone or with a team, Prezi's dynamic presentation tools can transform your brainstorming experience, making it not only effective, but visually engaging as well. First things first, you'll want to log into your Prezi account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard. This is your command center where you can access all your previous projects or begin new ones. Our focus today is starting fresh, so let's look towards creating a new brainstorming session. To do this, you'll want to click on Create from Template. Prezi offers a variety of templates tailored to different presentation styles, but since we're here for brainstorming, look for those that are specifically designed for brainstorming or mind mapping. Selecting a well-suited template helps frame your ideas and gives your session an organized start. Now, it's time for the main topic. Think of this as the heart of your brainstorming session. It's the central idea that you and potentially your team will build upon. Type this main idea into the designated area of your template. This main topic should succinctly capture the essence of what you're exploring. With your main idea firmly in place, begin creating subtopics around it. These are crucial as they serve to organize your thoughts into categories, ideas, or themes. Consider them as branches, spreading out from the central trunk of your idea. This is where you'll start seeing the beginnings of a structured mind map taking shape. To give your brainstorming session a more dynamic and engaging feel, start inserting text, images, or icons. Prezi allows for a rich array of multimedia elements, so use these tools to visually represent each idea. Each element should serve to clarify and enhance the concepts you're discussing, making it easier for everyone involved to grasp the full scope of the brainstorming session. Understanding the relationships between different ideas is paramount in any brainstorming session. To convey these connections, use arrows, lines, and connectors. These tools will help illustrate how each subtopic interacts and relates to the central idea, and to one another, creating a web of connected thoughts. One of Prezi's standout features is its collaborative capabilities. To take advantage of this, invite team members to join in your brainstorming session by clicking the Share button. This will allow others to access your mind map and become active participants in the creative process. Finally, empower your collaborators further by allowing them to add or edit ideas in real time. This feature turns your brainstorming session into a collaborative hive of creativity, where ideas can be freely proposed, modified, and built upon instantly. And that's how you use Prezi for brainstorming sessions. This tool can truly revolutionize the way you and your team develop ideas, providing a dynamic, engaging platform to visualize your thoughts.